This is where bondage begins. Over 2 million sold of the under-the-bed restraint systems. Most imitated system in the category. These are must-haves to cover all skill levels and price points.
Three must-have spreader bars to cover every customer. For your beginners and intermediates, start with the Expandable spreader bar and cuff set. For your fashion-forward enthusiasts, go with the Saffron spreader bar and cuff set. And for your more premium customers, go with it. For your more curious customers looking to spice things up even more, try these three options. We have the 5-piece Hog Tie Cuff Set, the Beginner's Bondage Fantasy Kit, and the No Matter Wear, one of my personal favorites. Travel friendly and fun to play with.
These three products are essentials. This newcomer's kit is perfect for beginners and fits most bodies. The pivot protector, I mean, we need this for all play. So bondage customers, strap-on customers, it's gonna clean up real quick. And the Door-Again Sex Sling, constantly a top seller for Sportsheets, perfect for positioning and having lots of fun. These are all backed by a limited lifetime warranty.